What up guys, and welcome to CHENG'S Aqua, and we're going to be setting up this aquarium. Let's get started. So here's the tank. I'm kind of debating on taking this out or not now, since I can't drill it. Don't know if I should take this out or not. Kind of in the air about this. I could put a pump in here. I just could put sponge filters. But I'm still debating on what might be the best steps. I think I might keep it as is for right now, and then switch it out. That way I can hide a heater. I can put a bunch of stuff in here too. I think that might be the plan for right now, at least. Gonna keep it as is, put the pump here. Probably put some more holes in between these. Don't want it to take that long. So like drilling some holes through here. Obviously drilling some holes through here, so I can relieve some of the pressure, and obviously drilling some holes in here, tiny ones. Just to relieve some of the water pressure. I think that's the plan. And I'm thinking about painting this trim. What do you guys think? Got the tank placed on with a piece of plywood under it to support it. We're rinsing. I vacuumed everything. Obviously not too well, but I did vacuum. I'm gonna use the pump to see if I get anything else out, but I have to fill it up with more water first. But yeah. And then we can fill it up and let it start the cycle. I'm keeping this for right now. If I don't like it when I do 100% water change, this will be taken off. But yeah, gonna pause it now so we don't make this video too long. We filled it up to a good amount where now we can actually start to drain this out and hopefully suck up as much garbage as we can out of there, including in here. We're gonna first start in here, but we're gonna use my new Hygger pump to make this quick and easy. So, grab our, it's a lot easier one-handed. No, sorry, it's a lot easier if I wasn't one-handed. You're just dropping in the pump all the way to the bottom, like so. Leave this output to someone on the grass. Ready? Look at how fast I shot out. I love this pump. Look at that. Look at that. To get the other side, I'm gonna just suck up this, bring this over to the fish tank side. Going to try to stop this one-handed. Keyword is try. Perfect. I should get my tripod. Here we have my little connecting thingy outlet. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed without touching the metal ports. And now we get to go with the pump and try to suck up as much gunk and garbage and sand and everything out. I don't know if it'll take it out, but I hope it will. Not really. It's worth a shot. Point is, it's draining pretty fast. Going to actually try and take it all the way over there. leave it there for a little bit. You can follow my little thingy. Ah, I completely missed the grass. I meant to put it on the grass because from here it actually goes all the way down. So you can see how green it is. See, it's going. What I ended up doing is drilling some holes so it would relieve a lot of the pressure because this is technically weak. These supports are a little weak. So what I ended up doing was drilling a couple of holes, not too many, but just to alleviate pressure if needed. So I drilled one over there, one there, one there, one there, one in the middle, and then a few in here, as well as some on this side. You can see this one here. There should be another one somewhere here. So I think that might be enough. I might add one more for this one, but we'll see. I'm gonna use some of this water since I have to do water change there. Anyway, I'm gonna bring it into here. I took off this off of the old fish tank too because this is ugly and old and they're not expensive to buy a new one. So yeah. We're good to go. Get started on filling this bad boy up. Started to drain. Making sure we're not splishing, splashing everywhere. Doing good so far. Looking good. Here we have the Hygger water pump, the big boy that they sell. I think they're selling right now for 40 bucks. Super cool, super fast. This thing has been going, making my water changes extremely fast. If you guys need something to save time, you know, definitely recommend. Look at the water output. Right now we're filling up still. Right now, setting it up, it's still filling up halfway through. Making sure there's no water leaks or anything like that. So far, so good. It's a little dusty though. It's because it was outside. It's fine though. Just put some Windex, start to scrape off some of these old things. I've been using a blade to clean it off. I've misplaced it already, but yeah, we're gonna have to keep waiting till it's filled up. For this pump, how it's gonna work is the water is gonna come in through here, right? Yeah, this one, and then go all the way down. So going through filter floss, I'm gonna put here, and then it's gonna come up through here, and then back down in here, which is gonna have all the filter media, and probably a heater, as well as then it comes all the way through that, comes back out, and here would be the pump that shoots the water back out, and it will go through here into the main aquarium. Trying to see it come into play. You're gonna see it fall through here any second, fall into here. Wait for it. It's gonna happen any second now. Silicone job is not good, but fine. It's whatever. It's whatever. Now let's see it go. Let's see it go. That noise was driving me crazy. Okay, I don't know what's taking so long. The point is you can see it coming down. We're almost full. Almost. Not completely, but almost. Yeah, we're close. I kind of want to bridge this gap. So we're gonna wait till that happens, but almost there. Basically hit that gap and we're gonna stop it here now. So now the tank is filled, we have the lids on. The lids are really dirty, but they gave them to me. These are the DIY ones that you cut open from. I think I have actually a sheet here somewhere I can show you. It's fine. The greenhouse panels is what they're called. These lids need Yeah, I thought it was the water for a second. No, the lids need a cleaning. But I think we're gonna stop the video here because I don't want to make the video way too long. So we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Part 2 of this video is gonna be the filtration, where I show you guys how I set up all these panels and stuff like that. But stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys like the video. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Don't forget to get that Hygger pump if you're interested in making water changes easier and faster. Definitely get one of those. Get 10% off too. Why not? Why don't you use my code? You know, make me some money too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys liked it, and see you. Peace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. We are also on socials, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Check that out.